Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you might know by the title of this video, I actually need your help. We're all in the middle of a pandemic, which means I'm struggling to get out and film videos. So I thought what a great idea it would be to go for a walk together. So basically all you need is your mobile phone, and when you next go on your daily walk, I want you to film it. All I need is 30 seconds of your rear or your front facing camera. It doesn't have to be on you, it needs to be like a front person type of view, like the videos that I do here. And of course I want to see you from all parts of the world. If you're in India, if you're in America, so all you need is your smartphone. Hang on, which way is that? Portrait, that's landscape, is that right? Yeah. So basically, I want you to film wherever you go for your daily walk. I want to see parts of the world I've never seen before, and all you need to do is film for about 30 seconds. I'm going to put it all together in one big video, and if you'd like to be part of it, all you need to do is send me your footage. Now you can do that through WeTransfer. The links are in the description, and send it to my email address, which is walkwithmetim@gmail.com. So what I need from you is a 30-second video, either portrait or landscape, of your daily walk. If you're in America, if you're in India, if you're in Australia, the weirder, the stranger, the better. We're going to put it all in a great video. So be part of an incredible journey. It could be sunrise, it could be sunset, it could even be at night. The more the imaginative, the better. So please everyone, get behind it, and we can go on an incredible journey together on the first ever Walk With Us. So I look forward to seeing all your videos. Feel free to comment below as well where you are in the world and what video you're going to send me, and I'll see you next time.